my channel. I'm the vegan bossa. Today we are going to prepare not one but 3 different hummus recipes. Hummus is fully packed with proteins and healthy fats and is a very versatile sauce. You can spread it on your toast, or even you can make your wraps with it. You can use it as a dip with your veggies or crackers, or even put some of it on top of nourishing bowls. Since I love hummus so much and the store-bought alternatives are full of oils and preservatives, I make my own hummus at home. And since I use it quite every day, I have varied it up in 3 different recipes that I will share with you today. And before making these recipes, if you like my videos, please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can receive all the notifications. And now let's prepare the recipes. The first recipe we are going to prepare is a lime and coriander hummus recipe. For this recipe we are going to need the following ingredients. We are going to need the freshly squeezed juice of 2 or 3 limes. In alternative, you can buy also freshly squeezed juice from your supermarket. We are going to add to the blender 1 cup of chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of tahini, the freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, a handful of coriander. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and a little bit of olive oil. Then we are going to blend it until it's creamy and smooth. Pour it into a container and feel free to decorate it with some lime slices and some hemp seeds. The second recipe we are going to prepare today is a roasted red pepper hummus recipe. For this recipe we are going to need the following ingredients. First, we are going to prepare the roasted red peppers. Start by cleaning the red peppers and by cutting them into halves. Then we are going to take a baking pan and put the red peppers in it, salt them, and we are going to add a little bit of olive oil, and they are ready to go into the oven and bake for 20-25 minutes in 210 degrees. This is how they are going to look after baking. Then add 1 cup of chickpeas to the blender, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and the roasted red peppers. We're gonna add also a little bit of olive oil, and we are gonna blend all the ingredients until creamy and smooth. Pour the hummus into a container and feel free to decorate it with some parsley leaf and some chili flakes, and enjoy it. Another variation of the hummus recipe is the curry hummus recipe. For this recipe we are going to need the following ingredients. Start by pouring into the blender 1 cup of chickpeas. Add 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 cup of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, 3 teaspoons of curry, but if you like more curry you can put a little bit more. Then olive oil, and blend all the ingredients until they become creamy and smooth. If the texture of your hummus is not smooth and creamy, you can add a little bit of water to the blender. Decorate the curry hummus with some sesame seeds and enjoy it. I hope you really enjoyed this 3 variation of hummus recipe. And if you like this video and you want to receive other videos in the future, please subscribe and click the bell for further notifications. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.